You may be interested in day trading, but you don't want to take all that risk right away, especially if you don't know how to trade. We want to help you ease into day trading so that way it's not as risky and you're not stressing every single day while you're trying to learn. And the best way to do that is with a demo account. And you can download the free demo by reaching out to us at CobraTrading.com. You get a free demo and you can set it up like actual trading software, the actual software you'll be using every single day when you become a real day trader. That means that you can actually set the account to the actual amount that you're going to be trading with. So if you have $5,000 saved, you can set the account at $5,000. If you have $25,000, 50, 100, you can set it to that exact amount. And we definitely want to make sure that you make it as realistic as possible to what you're going to do when you're trading for real, when you're trading a live account. The reason for that is you don't want to have the misconception of I would have made 100K today because I have a huge account, when in reality you probably only make 10 bucks that day because you had a $5,000 or $1,000 account. You don't want to give yourself misbelief, a mirage. You don't want to be thinking of one thing when it's something else. You want to treat it like it's real. With the demo account from Cobra, you can actually execute live trades to the actual live market. So real time. And it gives you fast execution as if you're actually trading. That is very important. You don't want to be trading a demo account on a software that's lagging when you're trying to trade the actual market. There's a difference between what's happening now and what has already happened in the past, especially if you already know what happened. It's hard to take that away from your brain and trade for practice. So I want you to make sure you treat this like it's a real account. You can open that demo account, set it to your actual value that you're gonna have when you open the real account, and then start executing as if it is real during the live markets. If you do that and you treat it correctly, you start tracking your trades, you look at your P&L because it actually shows you your P&L throughout the day, and you go ahead and track that, and you could track your progress as close as it can be to live without actually risking anything. You also get the benefit of learning the software. If you're new, you don't even know what buttons do what. You're gonna learn and explore over time, and you don't want to be exploring with real money on the line and you press the wrong button and you triple down on something and then you're freaking out, or you're in a great position and it's going your way and you press the wrong hotkey and you have no idea that you just closed that position and you get to see it go without you. So check out the demo account, go to CobraTrading.com, go ahead and download it. If you have questions, reach out to us in the live chat feature.